Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to prepare stuffed mirchi bhaji. So let's see what all ingredients we need. So I have taken chili and ham, 5 pieces of chili and ham. Then I have taken lemon sized tamarind soaked in water. Then cumin powder half teaspoon and hing or asafoetida 1/3 teaspoon. Then we need salt as needed. Then peanuts. I have taken 3 tablespoons of peanuts and sesame seeds. This is white sesame seeds. I have taken 1 tablespoon. Then we need bicarbonate soda half teaspoon. Then I have taken chili powder 1 teaspoon. Then we need besan powder or gram flour. I have taken 6 tablespoons. Then we need oil for frying. So let's see how we are going to prepare this stuffed mirchi bhaji. And we need, for another stuffing, I have taken half of chopped onion, half bunch of cilantro leaves chopped, 1½ teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder and salt. So let's see how we are going to prepare this. For stuffing the mirchi bhaji, I am going to roast the peanuts and sesame seeds. So I have kept one pan and pan is hot. So in that I am going to add the peanuts and sesame seeds to roast. Now the peanuts and sesame seeds are roasted well. So I am going to switch off the flame and keep it aside for cooling down. Then we have to make to a fine paste. Once the peanut and sesame seeds are completely cooled down, I am going to grind it to a paste. For that, with this I am going to add cumin powder and asafoetida powder and the tamarind pulp which we soaked, and I am going to add the salt as we needed. So let's do blending and make a paste. Once we made to a good paste, I am going to stuff to the chili and ham. For that I am going to give a slit. If you want, you can take out the seeds. And we can stuff inside. We can do the remaining the same stuffing like this. Like the same way, I am going to give a slit to the second one. And we can give we can stuff. I have done stuffing with all the chilies. As you can see, it's nicely stuffed. So for frying we have to make a batter. For that I am going to take the besan or gram flour. In that I am going to add salt, little bit of salt. Then we add the chili powder, 1 teaspoon. Then we need the bicarbonate soda, half teaspoon. Give a mix. Now I am going to make to a thick batter by adding little bit of water for dipping our stuffed chilies. Make sure there is no lumps and make a thick paste. Now the batter is ready and the stuffing is ready. So let's do frying. For that I have kept one pan and the oil is hot now. Now the oil is hot. So I am going to fry the stuffed bhajis. For that I am going to dip in the batter, stuffed chili, and we can keep it in the oil. Like that, say we can do the other one. Flip it and make sure every sides are cooked well. Now for the other stuffing, I have taken the onion chopped, cilantro leaves chopped, chili powder and salt. So I mixed it well. And with that I am going to add the remaining tamarind pulp, little bit. And we can do stuffing. We can cut the fried mirchi. And we can stuff. Like the same, I have given a slit to the second one and we can stuff with this mix. So stuffed mirchi bhaji is ready. It's crispy and tasty. You can enjoy with your tea or coffee. It's a good tea time snack. Hope you like this recipe. Please do a try. Please do like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification. Thank you for watching. Thank you.